Hello guys, magluluto ako ngayon ng request by my husband. So, chicken breast. Ipapound natin later. Hiniwa ko siya ng manipis. Yan. So, and we have here mushroom. Hiwain din natin mamaya. And white onion. And of course, parmesan. Done pounding, so ilagay ko muna sa ref kasi lutuin ko muna yung white onion and mushroom. Okay, I'm done chopping mushroom and onion. So we have a small amount of garlic. So guys, I'm going to melt this one butter, 3 tablespoons. Okay, olive oil, garlic. Ito na yan. Next step, yung chicken. Yung salt. Preheat oven to 350 and then bake for 35 minutes. Okay, then brush with butter, the melted butter. Then parmesan. And bake for 35 minutes. Alright. This one. Ooh, look at that. So, yun guys. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.